You guys have to make this sweet potato cream cheesecake. It's super easy to make, and if you like sweet potatoes, you got to make this. So let's get started. Okay, since I'm making a sweet potato cheesecake, I'm going to be using candy yams. It's already like you already made your candy yams, and this is the can that I'm going to be using because I did not make my own homemade. Okay, so I drained these. We're going to use that juice and we're going to use these sweet potatoes. Okay, I got a little small food processor here. I'm going to dump some of these sweet potatoes. They already got sugar and all kind of spices in those. Now we're going to start off with our cream cheese filling. We need 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. It's going to go in this bowl. We're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar. Okay, we're going to mix this up and we're going to incorporate the cream cheese. Make sure your cream cheese has been softened. Leave it out for about 25 to 30 minutes. Make sure it's nice and soft. 1 large egg. Okay, let's incorporate this and beat this up very well. I need a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It has to have flavor when you're making your, cheesecake. Okay, and then we're going to make sure the bowl is nice and clean and make sure we get all the splatter. We want all that cream cheese. Okay, I've got a store-bought box cake and it's white. This is 1/2 cup of water and 1/2 cup of the sweet potato juice. 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Okay, 3 whole eggs. Now I'm gonna beat all this together. I'm gonna dump 1/2 of our cake mix and I'm gonna mix this in slowly. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking the rest of the cake mix. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on slow and I'm gonna also mix this up also. This is a cup of candy yams that's been pureed and mushed down like baby food. We're gonna use a cup of this. So we're gonna stick 1/2 of this into our cake. We're gonna take our beater again and we're just gonna start beating this up. Okay, you can use round pans or you can use square pans. I like square pans because I can put everything in here and then I have a top to put over it and I can take it to family events, going somewhere and everybody can just cut little slices. So that's what I do. I take my cake and I had sprayed the cake already and I'm going to dump all the cake inside of this big pan. Okay, this is my cheesecake mixture. I'm gonna dump and just cover it. I've got my spatula here and I'm just going to do designs. Okay, in the oven to 325 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, guys, it's hot. I had to get my towels out. I had my towels in my hand and I forgot to get my pot holders out, but that's okay. I have my trevits at the bottom. I just took this out. This is hot. This is going to have to cool down. While it's cooling down, let's make our frosting. Bowl, I got my 4 tablespoons of butter to whip this up. 8 ounce Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to beat this with the butter. I need 2 cups of this confectionate sugar. Start whipping this. Our 2nd cup, we're just gonna lightly beat this up. Teaspoon of vanilla extract in here. And then we're gonna just blend this up. Get this nice and mixed in here. Okay, so we have our homemade icing. And I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm going to start to spread this all over sweet potato cheesecake. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this dish because I did. And guess what? I didn't make this cream cheese sweet potato cake alone. You and me, we did this together and we can do plenty more dishes. Hey, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come back next time so we can make something different and new every time. Hey guys, see you next time. Bye.